Hi, my name's Ricky and I'm the homeowner of this house, and I had Masters Home Solution reside it for me. You can see how beautiful it looks. I found them on the internet. I had a couple estimates. Patrick and Isaac had come out and looked over what I needed, gave me an estimate, and I thought it was really good. They made a bunch of promises, and I tell you, they kept every one. What you don't see here is how beautiful it is on the underneath side. They did a great job with all the underlayment, taping every seam to make it all airtight, moisture barrier. They did a great job flashing with the drip edges, the J channels, and the caulking. The crew was excellent. Everybody was excellent I talked to on the phone. They actually really cared. They made sure everything was going as planned, and they cleaned up immaculately. They were very meticulous, and I was very impressed with that. The crew that did my siding did it as if they were doing their own house. I was very much impressed. And I know I'm going to call Masters whenever I need any windows or roofing or anything else done. So I'd call Masters Home Solution if you have a project. You won't be disappointed. I know I wasn't. I was very impressed.